How to fix no sound in Microsoft Teams on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get your audio working again during calls. First, join or start a test call in Teams to confirm the issue is happening. From there, press the volume button on the side of your device to bring up the volume panel. After that, make sure your media volume is turned up, since Teams uses media volume rather than ringer volume. At this point, swipe down to open the quick panel and confirm your device isn't on silent or vibrate mode. Following this, check whether your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or a speaker that might be disconnected or out of range. From here, if none of that is the issue, long press the Teams app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this stage, tap App Info. Following this, tap Permissions. From here, tap Microphone and make sure it's set to Allow only while using the app. At this stage, back out and tap Storage instead.
Following this, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be affecting audio. From here, back out and tap Force Stop. At this stage, tap OK to confirm. Following this, scroll down and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. Once that's done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Finally, join a test call in Teams and check if the sound is working properly now. That's how you fix no sound in Microsoft Teams on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!